Right here will be the first of many. Another one, and another one. This right here is definitely a swimming hole. My goodness. Beautiful. We're going to see a few more. I don't know about today, but today or tomorrow we will. Nice. I love this little pillow. It's a Nemo pillow. Nemo Pillow Elite. Very lightweight. In my hand. Everything stays on there together. So the bag is sewn in to this, to your pillow. And you kind of put it in a little pocket. Like so. And then it's just blow up. Then you just blow it up to whatever you want. But you can see it's pretty good size. Nemo Pillow. Check them out. If you don't know the joys of hammock camping, you're missing out. I use a tent too, but man, just laying in that hammock, just relaxing, yes sir. I love this little setup like this. And it's just one little cup link. You know, you can get this on Amazon. Just say cup link for the Sawyer filter. And it just connects on there and just let your water hang and do its thing. Just remember, don't let it overfill.
He said he's been practicing by taking cold showers, but I guarantee his shower don't get that cold.
I bet that's cold too. I got some hamburger buns. Those are good. It's like a beef and cheddar from Arby's style right there. Delicious. Check out the burgers. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Hamburger delight. Oh, I think I got some mustard. Doritos, barbecue. Delicious. I'm in my hammock, and it is thundering and lightning. Big time. About 2 in the morning. My tarp is seeping or something, but it's leaking all in my hammock. It got me wet, got my down blanket wet. I'm trying to get this off here. I'm not sure what is up with that. I don't know if I have a leak or a hole. Terrible time to find a hole in my hand or my tarp. It's definitely getting me wet. Lordy, lordy, it's gonna be a long night. That was a tough night. My stinking tarp. This is on retired. This is definitely its last trip. Up here, it was just seeping through. Just seeping. And it's dropping in on me. I took my rain jacket and kind of covered up my hammock area where it was leaking. Kept leaking right in this area. But it was drenching me. My down blanket's wet. I got wet. My hammock inside got wet. That was messed up. I mean, my backside got wet. Water was just coming in inside my hammock, dripping. Oh, my down blanket, the top side of it was wet. Inside, I could still stay warm. This thing has been in many storms. It's really, really old. Maybe it's time to retire it. I love this tarp, but I can't have leakage. No leakage. If you do eat biscuits and sausage and gravy from Peak Refuel, I always break up my biscuits, bust them up into smaller pieces. It's a lot better than that big chunky biscuit being in there, and then kind of shake it all up and get it going a lot better. Good mixture. In the comment section, if you have any suggestions on me seam sealing the ridge line of my tarp, please leave it in the comment section. Let me know. If you have a link that you can share it with me. But please let me know in the comment section if you have a good suggestion for seam sealing your tarp. Let me know. Yes. That's a dude we just met from Los Angeles, California. He's loving his Kentucky views.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Nice day. Yeah, beautiful. Y'all enjoy.
Pretty cool. This water heading towards the river, just like us. That is just about as beautiful as it gets. I'm up on this big rock, which I do not want to slide down into that water. And then it goes right through that way. Incredible. That is so cool. That is awesome scenery. Holy smokes. Woo. This is a big crossing if you had to go across. There's no way. We need to go that way. You heard me? You heard me? We need to go that way. We are lost. Oh my goodness. Yes. You know, this camera's not going to do it any justice whatsoever of how big this is and how beautiful it is coming down there. My goodness. Beautiful. I didn't even know this was going to be here. That's a big surprise. Awesome. In the comment section, let me know which one would you go with. Stinger? They're all stingers.
Yeah, this one is a waffle, so it's really sweet. This one's more fruity. It's a fruit smoothie with 3 flavors. This one's performance juice with a lime flavor. I don't know which one to choose.
In the comment section, which one? What a big day today we had on the trail. My goodness, it was a long, long day. That's for sure. You know, after the nighttime action that happened, with my tarp, the rain all night, got to sleep around 3:30, crashed out, woke up around 8 or so. We all had breakfast, hung out, but we stayed on the trail till past 6. Lots of waterfalls, lots of action, lots of fun. Now it's time for the campfire, some dinner, camaraderie, music. And you know what? I can't tell you the rest. This trip again, I brought the Waymark gear. Love this backpack. It is so comfortable, big pockets, works great. I mean, this stuff is so strong. I love it. Check out Waymark gear. Google them. It's worth it. I'll leave what we did in the description box. You can check out the trail for yourself. Very clean, pretty easy to do. Have a lot of fun. Remember guys, you got one life. Live it!